In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust image size in Canva. If you've ever tried to fit a large photo into a small design space or make a smaller image fill more of your layout, you already know how quickly things can start to look stretched, blurry, or awkwardly cropped. The good news is that Canva makes this process much easier once you're inside the editor. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open the right workspace, select your image properly, resize it without distorting it, crop it when needed, and then lock everything in place so your design stays neat and organized. To begin, make sure you open your project inside Canva's editor. This is important because the controls for resizing and adjusting images only appear when you're working on an active canvas. From your Canva dashboard, click Create a Design and choose the format you want, such as a presentation, social media post, or another layout. If you already have a project started, simply open that existing design so it loads into the editing workspace. Once your design is open, go to the canvas and click directly on the image you want to adjust. As soon as you select it, you'll see a border appear around the image. Along that border, Canva will display handles around the edges and corners. These are the controls you'll use to change the size of the image. If you want to make the image bigger or smaller without changing its proportions, use one of the corner handles. Click and drag inward to reduce the size or drag outward to enlarge it. This is the best option when you want to keep the image looking natural because Canva scales the width and height together. That helps prevent stretching and keeps faces, objects, and text inside the image from looking distorted. If instead you want to trim the visible area of the image, use the side handles. Dragging these inward lets you crop off extra space from the top, bottom, left, or right. This is useful when you want tighter framing without shrinking the subject itself. If you need to reposition the hidden part of the image after cropping, double-click the image, adjust its placement inside the frame, and then click Done to apply the change. After you've adjusted the image exactly the way you want, it's a good idea to lock it in place. With the image still selected, look at the toolbar near the top of the editor and click the lock icon. This prevents the image from accidentally moving or changing size while you continue working on other parts of your design. That's it. Once you know where these controls are, adjusting image size in Canva becomes quick, simple, and much more precise. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.